Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how I make this delicious and super easy caldo de albóndigas. It is a meatball soup. So if you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I will show you how. In my bowl, I have some ground beef. This is about almost 2 pounds, pretty close to 2 pounds. And I'm going to season this. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of garlic and pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of salt. And to this, I'm adding in 1 cup of rice. And now I'm just going to get all this mixed and incorporated together. And now I'm going to start forming the meatballs. You can make these as big or as small as you want. Mine are going to be about this size. Then I'm just going to place them in my bowl. And I'm going to continue to do that with the rest of my ground beef. And now my meatballs are ready. Over here, I have all my vegetables that I'm going to add to my albondiga soup. I have a piece of cabbage, 3 celery sticks. I have 2 carrots, 2 tomatoes, and 2 squash. I also have some potatoes. I'm going to add in 6 small ones. And now I'm going to take the vegetables to the sink and rinse off all that dirt. Starting to dice up my veggies. If you want to cut your squash this way, it's fine, or this way is fine too. Either way will work. And I'm just going to continue to dice up all my veggies. The potatoes, I'm going to add them in a bowl, and I'm going to rinse them out and add some water so that they don't turn brown. I'm going to add water to my pot. I'm adding in some salt. I'm going to just wait for the water to come to a boil. My water has now come to a boil, so I'm going to be adding in my meatballs. I'm going to just cover this and let the meatballs cook, which will take 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, these have browned, so these are ready. Adding in my veggies. I'm going to just stir this around for about a minute. Adding in 1 tablespoon of tomato Knorr, 1 teaspoon of chicken Knorr. And I'm going to mix that in. And I'm also going to add in this packet of Sazon. Remember, you can season the way that you like. You can add, omit, or season to your liking. And now I'm just going to mix that around. And now I'm going to leave this uncovered and let the water come to a boil. This is going to take about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now goes in the potatoes. Gonna give this a quick mix. I'm going to cover this, and I do have my heat set at a low. And now it's just time to wait for the potatoes to soften. This could take from 5 to 10 minutes. And now it's time to check. Let's check if the potatoes are softened. And now the potatoes are fork tender. So this is done. And just like that, this caldo de albóndigas meatball soup is done and it's ready to enjoy. And that is my recipe on how to make this delicious caldo de albóndigas, otherwise known as a meatball soup. The weather has been chilly, so this is definitely going to hit the spot. Serve it up with your favorite tortillas and some lime, even maybe some chili, some salsa. Enjoy. And now let's try it. This is really, really, really good. Now let's try a potato. The albóndiga itself is seasoned perfect. The potatoes are like so soft. The whole caldo, the whole soup has perfect flavor. It's really delicious.